Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you a 10-minute hash browns recipe which is perfect for your breakfast. This breakfast recipe will have you craving for more. It's super crispy and super delicious. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So all you'll need is about 3 potatoes which you will grate. I grated mine and then put them into a kitchen cloth and pulled out all the water. So I squeezed out all the water, and this is basically for it to be dehydrated so that it is perfectly crispy. So I did this, and this took me about 3 minutes to prepare the 3 potatoes. Once that's done, I then set up the other ingredients, which you will need a half cup of all-purpose flour, and then you will need 1 egg, and then 1 tablespoon of salt and some white pepper, which I basically used 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we're gonna be mixing all the ingredients together. Once the mixture is ready and is looking as so, then you will want to create some shapes. I will make mine sort of square to rectangular, and then they're ready to be put onto the hot pan. So I will just shape them, and once they're ready, this is how they should be looking. So this is how they should be looking once you flip them. They turned out really great, perfectly crispy on the outside, mushy on the inside. Your guests will love them, your children will enjoy and devour them. These are the perfect 10-minute hash brown breakfast recipe that you will ever try out. Please subscribe for more onto my channel for more videos of such nature, and please hit the notification button to be updated for all the new videos that I put out. For now, goodbye and see you in the next one.